This week was simple but very important. I only took one trade this week, but it was enough. On Monday I had 2 A+ setups mapped out. Both were clean and both were good and valid. But one of the setup stood out for me, so I focused on this setup. And the other A+ setup eventually didn't play out like I wanted to. After Monday, nothing really happened, so I made the 2 market updates on Monday when I got into the trade, and the last market update on Friday when I got out later of the trade, because I couldn't make the market update directly when I got out of the trade. So I'm gonna stop talking and show you the short week. So I updated you guys on the community page on YouTube, but I didn't make a video yet. I didn't have the opportunity to make a video, but as you could see on the community page, I took this trade right here. I shorted Euro AUD on the weekly. We are in a downtrend. On the daily, we are in an uptrend, but we are consolidating, and it's basically a counter trend trade on the daily. On the 4 hour, we had this break and retest of the head and shoulders, and we entered off this engulfing candlestick in the morning. I just saw a price to go down from here because we consolidated 2 candles in a row, then had the engulfing candlestick, and with a with a little liquidity sweep. So I had to enter this trade on the 4 hour candle close on 7 o'clock. So that was it with Euro AUD. And GBP CAD, we didn't take this trade because I did not see the opportunity to sell this trade, so I entered Euro AUD. That was already it with the small market update. See you tomorrow or in the next market update. Yes sir, so quick market update. We are in profit right now. It looks like we are right about the direction, and this could be a W. I can't get too excited now, but almost every trade, I can't even make this up. How did I even manage to do this? Every trade I took in the last 3 months, I got immediately stopped out. Like in the last 3 months. In the next 1 hour, I already got stopped out. And this trade, I could finally be right about the direction. And I waited for the engulfing and a market shift on the 2 hour. So if this setup fails, I actually don't know. But yeah, that was just a quick market update for Euro AUD. And GBP CAD, I don't think I'm gonna trade any other pair this week. Most of the pairs are not ready for this week, only for next week. But yeah, we will see. But I only need to win this trade right here and I'm profitable for the first month. It's not a how do you say, a little bit boring month then, but because I only took 2 trades, but I'm still profitable for the first month if I hit this trade. So yeah, see you in the next market update. So we are doing the last market update of this week. It's Friday and I forgot to make the market update after I hit TP. I uploaded it on the community page on YouTube, but I think I made a video but I accidentally deleted it. So now I gotta do it again. And as you can see, we hit TP. We waited for the retest of this 4 hour neckline of the many head and shoulders we had right here. And our first area of interest was like that, right? But I kind of did not see this as an enough breakout. It was a breakout and we got the retest. Would have got confirmation right there, but I kind of either missed it because it was not a London session and it wasn't enough for me to enter this trade. at the end of the day, it was an A+ setup with a 105% win rate. And we came into this area of interest, consolidated a little bit, had a beautiful engulfing. Yes, we did a little bit. We rejected a little bit from the EMA, but that kind of, I didn't care because we are in a downtrend. Everything was so perfect, and we had at the same time a market shift on the 2 hour. You can see higher high, like we are still in a downtrend, but internal higher high, internal lower low, engulfing on the 4 hour, and entry. So this was our entry exactly. And then we smashed TP overnight. It didn't even took a day. Almost, yeah, okay, it took a day, but not longer. So yeah, that was the last market update from this week. See you at the end. We are already done with this week 10. I already have the trades for next week mapped out, and I'm gonna show you in the next video. Stay tuned for this video. Same focus and same process. Discipline stays the same, one trade at a time. This is FX Control. Thank you for watching.